Hello kids! Our next chapter is about multiplications. The topics to be covered are properties of multiplication, multiplication by a one-digit multiplier, multiplication by a two-digit multiplier, multiplication by a three-digit multiplier. Remember,
in a multiplication sum, the number to be multiplied is called a multiplicand. The number which multiplies is called the multiplier. The answer we get is called the product.
Let's have a quick tip.
5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 20. So in 5 multiplied by 4 is 20, where 5 is multiplicand, 4 is multiplier, and 20 is the product. Multiplication is repeated addition. Instead of adding the same number many times, it is easier to calculate by multiplication. In class 3, we have learned how to multiply a given number by one or two-digit number. Let's revise them. Write in the multiplication form and find the product. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 15. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 is equal to 7 multiplied by 6, which is equal to 42.
Properties of multiplication.
Order property of multiplication. The product of two numbers does not change when we change the order of numbers. Example, 15 multiplied by 5 is equal to 75, and 5 multiplied by 15 is equal to 75. Thus, 15 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5 multiplied by 15. Grouping or associative property of multiplication. The product of the number does not change even if we change the order of the numbers. Example, 10 multiplied by 6, which is multiplied by 5, is equal to 60 multiplied by 5 is equal to 300. Similarly, 10 multiplied by the total of 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10 multiplied by 30 is equal to 300. That is, A multiplied by B multiplied by C is A multiplied by the total of B multiplied by C. Thus, 10 multiplied by 6 totaled multiplied by 5 is equal to 10 multiplied by value of 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to the value of 10 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 6. It's time to scratch your brain to understand the numbers and observe the following patterns. 12 multiplied by 12 is equal to 144. But if the digits are reversed, the product is also reversed. 21 multiplied by 21 is equal to 441. Examples, 13 multiplied by 13 is equal to 169. But 31 multiplied by 31 is equal to 961. 12 multiplied by 14 is equal to 168. But 21 multiplied by 41 is equal to 861. 13 multiplied by 22 is equal to 286. But 31 multiplied by 22 is equal to 682, etc. Work in pairs and try to find the 5 numbers to each other with the help of the pattern. Multiplication property of 1. The product of number and 1 is the number itself. Example: 2057 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2057. 1 multiplied by 8060 is equal to 8060. 54,630 multiplied by 1 is equal to 54,630. 1 multiplied by 90,000 is equal to 90,000. Multiplication property of 0. The product of number and 0 is always 0. Example: 975 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 0 multiplied by 1125 is equal to 0. 45,692 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 0 multiplied by 84,215 is equal to 0. Distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. The product of a number and the sum of two numbers is equal to sum of the product of that number with the two numbers separately. Example: 5 multiplied by the sum of 8 plus 9 becomes 5 multiplied by 17, which is equal to 85. Similarly, 5 multiplied by 8 and 5 multiplied by 9 is equal to 40 plus 45, which is equal to 85. Thus, 5 multiplied by the sum of 8 plus 9 is equal to the sum of 5 multiplied by 8 and 5 multiplied by 9. The distributive property of multiplication is also true for subtraction. Example: 15 multiplied by 17 minus 9 is equal to 15 multiplied by 8 is equal to 120. Similarly, 15 multiplied by 17 minus 15 multiplied by 9 is equal to 255 minus 135, which is also equal to 120. Thus, 15 multiplied by 17 minus 9 is equal to 15 multiplied by 17 minus 15 multiplied by 9. Let's do some critical thinking. Fill the same digit in all the 5 blanks to make the multiplication correct. And the right answer is 6. So, 146 multiplied by 46 is giving you an answer of 6746. A chair costs 22 rupees and a table costs 355 rupees. What is the cost of 5 such chairs and 5 such tables? Use distributive property of multiplication over addition. 5 times of 22 plus 355 will become 5 into 22 plus 5 into 355. which is 110 plus 1775, which is equal to 1885.
Multiplication tables. To help you revise and understand the multiplication tables from 1 to 20 in the form of multiplication grid, you can read the table as shown by colored lines. Thus, 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. 7 multiplied by 5 is equal to 35. 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to 49. 18 multiplied by 9 is equal to 162. Multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. To multiply a given number by 10, we insert a 0 to the right of the number. Example, 25 multiplied by 10 is equal to 25 followed by a 0, which is 250. 315 multiplied by 10 is equal to 315 followed by 0, which is 3150. To multiply a given number by 100, we insert two zeros to the right of the number. Example, 98 multiplied by 100 is equal to 9800, which is 98 followed by two zeros to the right. 975 multiplied by 100 is equal to 97,500, which is 975 followed by two zeros. To multiply a given number by 1000, we insert three zeros to the right of the number. Example, 52 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 52,000. That is 52 followed by three zeros. 415 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 415 followed by three zeros, which is 4,15,000.
Multiplication of a number by 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on till 90. To multiply a given number by 20, 30, 40, 50, so on till 90, we multiply by 2, 3, 4, 5, so on till 9. Respectively, put the 1 0 to the right of product of number. Example, 21 multiplied by 20 is equal to 21 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to 420. Similarly, 415 multiplied by 20 is equal to 415 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to 8,300. 2,140 multiplied by 90 is equal to 2,140 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 10 is equal to 1,92,600. Multiply a given number by 200, 300, 400, so on till 900. We multiply by 2, 3, 4, so on till 9. Then put two zeros to right of the product of a number. Example, 315 multiplied by 200 is equal to 315 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 100 is equal to 630 multiplied by 100 is equal to 63,000, which is 63000. 245 multiplied by 900 is equal to 245 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 100 is equal to 2205 multiplied by 100 is equal to 2,20,500.
Multiplication by one-digit multiplier.
Example: find 25 multiplied by 8. Write 25 in the expanded form tens and ones. 25 multiplied by 8 is equal to the sum of 20 plus 5 multiplied by 8. Then multiply separately, which is equal to 20 multiplied by 8 plus 5 multiplied by 8. Add, which is equal to 160 plus 40 is equal to 200. Example: find 316 into 5. Write 316 in the expanded notation hundreds, tens and ones. That is 300 plus 10 plus 6 multiplied by 5. So here we multiply separately is equal to 300 multiplied by 5 plus 10 multiplied by 5 plus 6 multiplied by 5. Now add 1500 plus 50 plus 30 is equal to 1580.
Lattice method of multiplication.
Here we will learn about multiplication of 4-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers using lattice method. Multiply 3486 multiplied by 5. Step 1. Write 3486 on top of the lattice and 5 on the left. Step 2. Multiply 3 by 5. 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. Write as shown below. Step 3. Multiply 4 by 5. Write the product in the second square. Step 4. Multiply 8 by 5. Write the product in the third square. Step 5. Multiply 6 by 5. Write the product in the square. Step 6. Add along the diagonals. If the sum is in 2 digits, carry the tens digit to the next place. Start here. The product of 3486 and 5 is 17430.
Multiplication by a 2-digit multiplier.
Example: multiply 256 by 34. Solution: we first write the number vertically. Step 1. Multiply the multiplicand by the digit of ones place. We multiply 256 by 4 ones is equal to 1024 ones. Step 2. We multiply 256 by 3 tens is equal to 768 tens, which is 7680. Now we add the two products. 1024 plus 7680 is equal to 8704. Therefore, 256 multiplied by 34 is equal to 8704.
Multiplication by 3-digit multiplier.
Example: multiply 105 and 315. Solution: write the given number in column form. If the multiplier is a 3-digit number, then we follow the following steps. Step 1. Multiply the multiplicand by the digit of ones place. Ones place multiplication. 105 multiplied by 5 is equal to 525. Step 2. Multiply the multiplicand by the number of tens place in the multiplier. Tens place multiplication. 105 multiplied by 10 is 1050. Step 3. Multiply the multiplicand by the number of hundreds place in the multiplier. Hundreds place multiplication. 105 multiplied by 300 is equal to 31500. Step 4. Add. Thus, 105 multiplied by 315 is 33075. Example: multiply 3536 by 245. Solution: write the given numbers in column form. We follow the following steps. Step 1. Multiply by ones. 3536 multiplied by 5 is 17680. Multiply by tens. 3536 multiplied by 40 is equal to 141440. Step 3. Multiply by hundreds. 3536 multiplied by 200 is 707200. Step 4. Add 17680 plus 141440 plus 707200 is equal to 866320. Thus, 3536 multiplied by 245 is equal to 866320.
Word problems.
Example: the cost of a wristwatch is rupees 525. Find the cost of 132 such wristwatches. The cost of one wristwatch is 525. The cost of 132 wristwatches is 525 multiplied by 132. Thus, the cost of 132 wristwatches is 69,300. Example: a library book has 2,265 pages. If there are 112 such books in the library, then find the total number of pages in all books. Number of pages in a book is equal to 2,265. Total number of books in the library is 112. Therefore, total number of pages in all the books is equal to 2,265 multiplied by 112. Hence, there are 2,53,680 pages in 112 books. Framing the story problems. For a given multiplication fact, we frame a story problems. Example: frame 3 story problems for 125 multiplied by 300. Story problems for this fact can be following. The cost of a calculator is 125 rupees. Find the cost of 300 such calculators. 125 workers work in a factory. If each one earns 300 per day, how much do they earn in one day? A ball weighs 125 grams. What is the weight of 300 such balls?
Estimating the multiplication.
Rounding off helps us in estimating multiplication. Example 62 multiplied by 67 by rounding each number to the nearest tens. 62 is rounded off to 60. 67 is rounded off to 70. Hence, the estimated product is 4,200. Example, estimate the product of 633 multiplied by 492 by rounding each number to the nearest hundreds. Rounding the numbers to the nearest hundreds, we have 633 is rounded off to 600, 600. 492 is rounded off to 500, 500. Hence, estimated product is 30,000. Values and life skills. Mohit's car consumes around 12 liters of petrol every day. He goes to his office 6 days a week. To save his fuel consumption on every alternate, he goes to his office by public transport. How much fuel does his car consume in a week? Also, find out how much fuel does he save in a week. Enrichment. Multiply the numbers having more than 2 digits can be tiresome and complex process. A simple and effective method to do multiplication easily is lattice multiplication. Let us learn how to do lattice multiplication. Multiply 145 by 415. Step 1. Write the multiplicand on the top of the grid and multiplier on the side of the grid. Step 2. Multiply each single digit on the top by the single digit on the side respective to the row and column of the grid. Like multiply 5 by 4, 5 by 1 and 5 by 5, and then second row and so on. Step 3. Now add the digits diagonally. Carry double digit sums to next place. Now you get your product. 145 multiplied by 415 is 60175.